hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So hope you're all doing well and really keeping safe. Even I am doing good. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I am Anjali and you're watching Ashi's Heaven. Everyone have watched my recent video. If not, I'll just upload it in the iCard above. Please do watch that. So if anyone who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and the notifications bar enable all so that you will receive the notifications of all the videos that I upload in future. And for the people who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So with that, let's get started. Today's video is all about my top 5 favorite perfumes for daily wear as well as daily use as well as party or functional use. So I'm going to pick out 5 of my favorite perfumes. So this video is all about my top 5 favorite perfume. Okay, so without much late, I have 2 pocket perfumes here. So one is from both are from Enchanter. The first variant is Enchanter Romantic variants and the second variant is Enchanter Charming variant. So these two are really great, affordable and at the same time travel friendly and pocket friendly perfumes, I must say. So sometimes if you are trying to go out, then in between if you feel like refreshing yourself, you can definitely go for these pocket perfumes. These are really affordable and at the same time travel friendly, and it is easy to carry instead of carrying that whole big bottles, guys. So I would always suggest to use this pocket perfumes because this is so travel friendly. And even if you're bored of this even if you're bored of this smell, you will not be having so much of wastage if you use pocket perfumes. And at the same time, if you are buying a very big bottle and if you're not liking the fragrance, then it becomes difficult for you to throw it away as you have invested some money into it, right? So I would definitely suggest to go with pocket perfumes because you have multiple ranges. You have Engage pocket perfumes, you have Enchanter pocket perfumes, you have many brands. They have come up with such pocket perfumes. I would say that is really great idea by them. So I would definitely suggest these 2 perfumes. So these 2 are really good and it smells so good, guys. So I would say out of these 2, I mostly prefer this rose variant because it has a very good floral smell and it really refreshes you, guys. So calming and a soothing smell. This is a floral fragrance. So this is really good, guys. So I really suggest this. And when compared to this with this is a little bit even this also has a kind of a floral smell only, but I don't know, somewhere it is lacking behind when I compare with this. So both are really good perfumes. So if you want to give it a try, you can definitely go for these 2 perfumes. Now the next perfume that I'm going to introduce, I know that you might have seen this multiple times because this is the brand Spins. So this is oh my god, you can find it in every nook and corner of any retail shops or any wholesale shops or any supermarkets or wherever you go, you can find this in every nook and corner. So this, I must say, when you have lots of perfumes, deodorants like this, a good one because this has a very beautiful smell, guys. This fragrance is so good. I really like this variant, pink variant of Spins. I really liked it, guys. So they are claiming it to be 24 hours long lasting freshness, but we all know the reality that doesn't last for 24 hours. So I must say it will stay for a decent amount of at least 5 hours. So that is what I felt because fragrance is really good. At the same time, the disadvantage that I would say about this is not at all long lasting, guys. So for a daily usage, this is really good. This gives a very good fragrance. So I would say when compared with other particular brands available in the market for a daily usage, this has really superb smell. At the same time, it refreshes you. It has a very good smell. Very calm and a very soothing smell. So this is really good. This is actually a spray perfume. This is not a liquid one. So this deodorant, I would say this is good, and this is under the variant Exotic. So if any one of you are looking for budget friendly daily purpose perfume or deodorant, then you can definitely go for this. This comes for around 110 rupees, I guess, or 150, something like that. So you might find some offers. If anyone is interested in purchasing this, you can definitely go for this. This has a very decent smell. At the same time, I am claiming, I won't say that it is 24 hours long lasting because no perfume or no deodorant lasts for 24 hours like this. This deodorants will not last for 24 hours. So for 4 to 5 hours it will definitely last, guys. So this is my next suggestion. On the next perfume that I would like to introduce is this. This is from Ramson's perfume. So I got this from Nykaa. So I got this from Nykaa, guys. I had some there was some offer going on in this, so actually I was thinking, so I was trying to, I was searching for some perfume below 100 rupees, so in that category. So when I filtered from lowest to highest in that range, I found this particular perfume. This is a spray liquid perfume, guys. So this is a liquid perfume. This is watery, so this is a liquid perfume. This also has a very strong smell. I would say not that strong, and at the same time it is not that mild, so it lies in between, guys. So yeah, so this is when I purchased this was around 90 rupees or 99 rupees, something like that. So this is a really good, and I would say this is long lasting. So this lasts for around 7 to 8 hours. It really lasts, guys. So if you are going to office or anything like that, then you can definitely use this, because 6 to 7 hours will be your working time, and obviously it will stay for that amount of time. So I would say in that sense, this is really good perfume. Though it is coming below 100 rupees, it has a very decent smell, and at the same time it is long lasting as well. Sometimes it is little bit harsh. The smell turns out to be a little bit hard. I don't know why, because maybe I don't like that such strong smells, but then you can manage this, guys. So this is my next recommendation. And the last perfume that I would like to suggest is this Engage perfume. So this is again a liquid perfume. So this is Engage W2. I don't know, is there any other name for this? So it comes like this. This is transparent and liquid perfume. So this is absolutely a superb perfume, guys. So this and this Ramson's perfume, you can, if at all you are going for any outing or any small gatherings or any parties, you can definitely use these perfumes, guys, because it has a very strong and a long lasting smell. So these two has very strong smell. So you can use this as a party, for any party or any outing or any functions or anything like that. If you want to smell so good, and you want that long lasting freshness to be there till the end of that event or party, then you can definitely go for these two in the affordable range I'm speaking, guys. Other than that, you have n number of perfumes which are really good and which are really long lasting. For in the affordable category, I'm just saying that these two are really good. If you want to give it a try, you can definitely give it a try. So this perfume is really good, guys. So this comes for, the MRP of this is 210 rupees. But again in Nykaa or in any other platforms or in the offline stores like DMart or any supermarkets, you can definitely get this in some offer. So you have to check that offer and you can get it, guys. So I really liked it, and this has a really, and this is again a liquid consistency spray, guys. So this is also a liquid kind of a spray. This has really good smell, guys. You can definitely use this for any functions or any parties. This really smells so good. I really like this smell, and I'm really liking this, guys. So nowadays I'm using this because I really like the fragrance, and it is also long lasting, guys. So it stays for a decent amount of time, and it smells so good. So I really recommend this for anybody who is looking for a budget friendly perfume which has a really good smell. Then you can definitely go for this. This is long lasting, and at the same time it has a very good smell, guys. So I would suggest this. So yeah, that's all, guys. So hope you have liked my suggestions. So please do try this and let me know. Though as these are very budget friendly, you can definitely purchase this, and you can use this as your daily daily usage or outings or anything like that. You can use this perfumes, guys. These are really good, and this really smells superb, and it comes below 200 rupees, I would say. So if any one of you are interested in purchasing, please purchase this, and do let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, that's all for today. So see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.